I'm your tour guide of Namsan Hanok Village. To start, I will tell you about Hanok. There are tiled roof houses and thatched roof houses. Yangban and rich middle-class people live in tiled roof houses. In tiled roof houses, there are 3 quarters: 사랑채, 안채, and servants' quarter. Now, I will tell you about thatched roof houses. Poor and lower-class people live in thatched roof houses. They usually use straw for the roof because they are easy to find. Thatched roof houses are cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Now let's go and see the Hanok houses. In Namsan Hanok Village, there are 5 Hanok houses. But you can't see Lee Seung-up's house and Yoon family's house because they are rebuilding the houses. However, you can see 3 houses. I will tell you about these 3 houses. This is Kim Chun-young's house. This house was built in 1890. Kim Chun-young was the head of a royal guard. His house is small. It's so small, so it don't have a servant's quarter. This house is Min Young-wi's house. It was built in 1870. This house is bigger than Kim Chun-young's house. There is a wall between 사랑채 and 안채. It symbolizes that men and women are different. But you don't know what is 사랑채 or 안채. This is 사랑채 and this is 안채. Men study at this 사랑채. This is the inside of a 사랑채. This is Yoon Tae-kyung's house. This house is shaped like a Chinese character 으뜸원. It means the best. There is a family shrine. In this shrine, there are 4 tables. Each is for father, grandfather, great-grandfather, and great-great-grandfather. Sadly, there are no table for women. Now let's find about Ondo and 장독대. Ondo is a traditional Korean heating system. There is a stone under the floor. The hot air from the kitchen goes under the floor. Then the stone gets heated, then the house gets warm. Others sat at this warm place near the kitchen and others sat further away. 장독대 was used for storing foods such as kimchi. There is a small hole. It's so small you can't see. Soil and water cannot go through this hole, but air can go through. This helps with fermentation and preservation. If you put kimchi in 장독대, kimchi gets more delicious. You can see 장독대 in many Hanok houses. You saw 3 Hanok houses, but there was no TV or mobile phone. If there was no TV or mobile phone, what do our ancestors do? They do a game of slam match and 제기차기 and 투호. A game of slam match is called 딱지. You hit other players' 딱지 with your 딱지. When the other player's 딱지 flipped, you get that 딱지. You play 투호 by throwing the air into the hole. There is a 3 small hole. 제기차기 is more difficult than other 2 games. You hit 제기 with your foot. It looks easy, but it's not so easy. This is all about today. I hope you like it. I was so happy to introduce you about Namsan Hanok Village. Thank you.